Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm speaking all the country around the world. From Bangladesh, Muhammad Oliullah. My name is Muhammad Oliullah from Bangladesh. And I love Bangladesh. I am Muslim. I love Islam and believe in Allah. In this world right now, lot of things is happening. Lot of Muslim getting killed. And if any Muslim go outside, people look in like a terrorist, like it's outside of Muslim countries, because they show them like that way. Our Muslim brothers and sisters around the world, they don't did anything wrong. And any brother and sister who is listening to us need to provide the right thing. We are Muslim. We did not hurt any other kind of peoples, but for of the times people using us and people beating us up, and we keep getting killed by non-Muslims. It is the time to Muslim get up. I am speaking up for all the Muslim countries. Muhammad Waliullah. I have been educated from America. I was America for 10 years. I have all the degrees and I know all the religions and I have all knowledge. I think, inshallah. And I think I am a good Muslim person and I call myself a scholar, Islamic scholar. And I want to see any fathers, Christians, any Hindu Pandit, they want to talk front of me, I'm ready. We are Muslim. I think I can give Bangladesh very good knowledge to Bangladesh being up their self up there. That's why I try to work for Bangladesh. Last 7 years I try. From Sheikh Hasina, they try to kill me. Nobody ever did it, done. America, Joe Biden did try. Indian Narendra Modi did it try to kill me, but nobody done. So Allah saving me.